Hello my fellow YouTubers, I'm back. I've been away for a while actually. I've been quite busy building my pizza oven out the back and doing this kitchen, but this virus has put it on the back burner for now, so it's sort of 90% there. But anyway, what I'm going to do is, for the kids, I'm going to do some egg fried rice because they like that, and I'm going to do some beef in broccoli, Chinese style. If you want to know how I prepare the beef, just click on that and it'll tell you, and it's different anyway. Let's run through the ingredients. Right, for the egg fried rice, quite simple. You need some vegetable oil, a little bit of light soy sauce, a little bit of dark, some sesame oil, couple of eggs, probably one per person, but I'm going to just do Leo as well. A little bit of pepper, some finishing off with some spring onions, and then for the beef, there's the beef. I'm going to put some beef and broccoli. I've actually used the stems as well for the broccoli. It's really tender. That's the heart of it. It's really nice. So keep them. Put them at the end. We're going to put some oyster sauce in it. And then we're going to finish it off with some potato starch. Proper well seasoned, this wok, and it's hot as well. Always crack your eggs in, guys. Smash the egg into it flavours the rice. I'm going to put a bit of sesame oil in it. I ain't got much anyway, so you don't need much of this. Not that much actually. With the rice, it's better to do it, the rice the day before, leave it in the fridge. You don't want a lot of moisture in it, so it'll stick together. It'll stick to the wok as well. But this wok is really seasoned now, so nothing will stick to it. You can put a bit of dark, you don't want much of this in. Literally that. Oh! Sorry guys, always goes off that. Yeah, I was saying dark is for, it's just for the colour really. Right, we're going to go some light, like that. MSG here, that's the secret, and it's not bad for you. Some scallions, or spring onion. Right, so rice done. There you go guys, there's the egg fried rice. Now you know how to make the fried rice, let's get on and make the beef and broccoli. Let's go. Right, first of all we've got to blanch the vegetables and the beef. So, it looks awful, doesn't it? But it's very good. So we're going to put the beef in there. I'm just going to blanch that for a minute. Might have to Right, I blanched them. I just staying warm. Onion, garlic, a little bit of ginger. Wine. Pepper. Dark soy sauce.
It's just water. It's a bit of salt, sugar and a bit of MSG. Some oyster sauce, a bit much. Soon it's watering now, ain't it? Just finishing off the broccoli in it. I've got some potato starch here. You can use cornstarch, but I just like the potato starch. As soon as you add this, you've got to be quick. Yeah. That's it, done. There it is, guys. How good does that look? Not only is it healthy, very tasty. Give it a go. Well, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and give us a share. And thanks to all my new subscribers recently. Really appreciate it. Alright, till next time, guys. See you later.